প্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আমরা জানি যে তোমাদের স্কুল বন্ধ আছে, প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের ক্লাস থেকে বঞ্চিত হচ্ছ। আমরা সেই তোমাদের অসুবিধাটা পুষিয়ে নেওয়ার জন্য জেলা প্রশাসনের তরফ থেকে তোমাদেরই প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের মাধ্যমে বিভিন্ন বিষয়ে কন্টেন্ট তৈরি করে তোমাদের উদ্দেশ্যে আমরা পাঠাচ্ছি। আমরা ইউটিউব চ্যানেল, ফেসবুক পেজ, আমাদের লোকাল লিস্ট চ্যানেলে এগুলো প্রচার করার ব্যবস্থা করছি। আশা করি তোমরা সেগুলো দেখে শুনে তোমাদের যে প্রিয় শিক্ষকদের ক্লাসকে এনজয় করো। বাসায় বসে থেকে তোমাদের যে বিষয়ভিত্তিক পড়াশোনাগুলো আছে সেগুলো চালিয়ে যাও। বাসায় থাকো, সুস্থ থাকো, তোমাদের জন্য শুভকামনা।
Good morning, dear student. Hope you are utilizing your long vacation. Hope that you are also using your long vacation time in reading and writing. I would like to thank the Honorable DC of Coxbazar to provide you an opportunity of taking class on online. As a result, we are the teachers of Coxbazar Government High School and Coxbazar Government Girls High Schools taking classes through online. Hope that you will take the class, you will receive the class cordially and attentively. I am Zakaria Muhammad Yahya Hassan, Coxbazar Government High School, Assistant Teacher English. You will be attentive in my class. Let's go on. See the whiteboard here. Okay, let's see. We are going to our main topics. Okay, welcome to my class. Let's see. I am Zakaria Muhammad Yahya Hassan, Assistant Teacher English, Coxbazar Government High School. My address is here. Topic identity, class 9 or 10, subject EFT, unit 10, lesson 3. Okay, look at the pictures please. What do you see here? We see that the British soldiers, what are they doing on our ancestors? Now see, our ancestors were tortured by the British soldiers. Can you imagine who is that person? I think yes. This was Master Da Surjo Sen. Then who is that gentle lady? I think you know her. She is Preetilata Wadidar. Then Khudiram, I think you have heard the name of Khudiram. Then Qazi Nazrul Islam. Now, what did they dream? Freedom from British rule. They dreamed freedom from the British rule. Now look at the picture. What can you see here? Can you tell me what is our today's topic? The topic is they had dreams. Unit 10, lesson 3. Learning outcomes. Now, what are the learning outcomes of this lesson? We see that at the end of this lesson we will be able to ask and answer questions, listen for a specific information, complete a grade. We see that there are three objectives, three learning outcomes in that lesson. Okay. Preetilata was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. She had two dreams. What are they? Look at the board. Number one is a society without gender discrimination. Number two, her motherland without British rule. Okay. Can you imagine what is the gate of what is this gate? This is the gate of Dr. Kasturi Government Girls School in Chittagong. What do you think about this school? Let's see. Okay, she was a meritorious student at Dr. Government Girls School in Chattogram. Then Eden Mahila College, Dhaka, from where she passed HSC. Now Bethune College. Bethune College is the institution which is in Kolkata, from where she graduated philosophy. Now look at the picture. Arpana Charan City Corporation Balika Uccha Vidyalaya. This is the institution where Preetilata became the head teacher of that institution. So she became the head teacher of Nandan Kanon Arpana Charan School in Chattogram. Now look at the picture. What do you think about this picture? This is the picture of Pahartali European Club. What do you think about that club? Preetilata attacked this club. Now this is the attacking picture of Preetilata. Why did she attack this club? This was Master Surya Sen. You already introduced with him. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on the Pahartali European Club. So Surya Sen gave Preetilata an assignment to attack the club, but unfortunately Preetilata failed to come out from the club after her attack. So notice the board here. You see there's these pictures are of potassium cyanide. She committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. Now loud reading for you. You have to read the text and match the words with the meaning. Look at the passage please. Preetilata was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. She was a meritorious student at Dr. Kasturi Government Girls School, Chattogram, and Eden College, Dhaka. She finally graduated in philosophy with distinction from Bethune College in Kolkata. In her college days, Pretilata was an activist in the anti-British movement. All through her life, she dreamt of two things: a society without gender discrimination and her motherland without British colonial rule. So she received combat training to fight against the British rule. Soon after, Pretilata became the head teacher of Nandan Karan Anparacharana School in Chattogram. Gradually, she involved herself in Surya Sen's armed resistance movement. Surya Sen was a famous anti-British movement organizer and activist in Chattogram area at that time. In 1932, Surya Sen planned an attack on Pahartali European Club. The club was known for its notorious sign, dogs and Indians not allowed. I think you have read the text. Now, let us introduce with some new words or keywords here. Conversation. What is the meaning of conversation? Look at the dialogue here. Kya? How are you, Tia? Tia, I am fine. And you? This is called conversation. Meaning. What is the meaning of conversation? An informal talk in which people exchange news or feelings. Kia and Tia are talking each others. Distinction. Meaning excellent that sets someone apart from others. She is graduated in English with distinction from Dhaka University. Then movement. What is the meaning of movement? Meaning an organized effort by supporters of a common goal. Now this is the picture of movement. Here is a sentence with the movement. The student of Dhaka University took part in language movement of 1952. Another word. Colonial. Colonial is an adjective meaning relating to colonies or dominion. Now make a sentence with colonial. Pretilata never accepted British colonial rule. The next word, notorious. Notorious is a noun. Meaning is famous for something bad or disreputable. There is a picture. You see that there is a robber here. His name is probably Arshad Sikdar. Now the sentence, Arshad Sikdar was a very notorious person. Now here is a group work for you. Group A. Now fill in the blanks and group 2. Here is also a gap filling activities for you. Now fill in the blanks from the text. Pretilata was an activist. Now match the answer. I think you have already completed the filling the blanks. Now match with me. Pretilata was an activist in the British movement. She joined Surya Sen to carry out operation against British. Once she was assigned to, okay, try yourself, then match with me. Plan. She was assigned to plan an attack on Pahartali European Club. The mission was try yourself, then mess with me. The mission was successful, but Pritilata failed to get out of the club. Then she dashed suicide. What will be the exact word? Then she committed suicide by taking potassium cyanide to avoid arrest. Okay, then group B, come with me now. Match the words. I think you have already completed filling the gaps. Now match with me. In 1932, Surya Sen planned to attack the Pahartali European Club, which had a signboard that read, "Dogs and Indians not allowed." Pritilata was try yourself and matched with me. Pritilata was told to lead. Pritilata was assigned to lead. What will be the other words? Assign. Told or assign. Told to lead the attack. Dressing herself as a Punjabi male, Pritilata with her team, okay, try yourself, then matched with me, attack. With her team attacked the club on September 23rd at 10:45 p.m. Dash, what will be the answer here? Injured and trapped by the British police, Pritilata swallowed cyanide and committed suicide to avoid arrest. Okay, now I think you have matched the answers with me. Next, silent reading. First of all, we read the text loudly. Now we will read the passage silently. Read the text again and answer the following question. I think that you have already read the text again. Now answer the following question. Read the words in column A and match them with the meaning in column B. Column A. There are so many new words for you. Now match the column A with the words column B. Okay, try yourself, then you will match the answer with me. First of all, you have to try yourself. Graduated, notorious, activist, movement, gender discrimination, colonial rule, combat, resistance, assign. A member of a certain social fight, took a university degree, rule by another country, battle, difference between male and female, give responsibilities, activities, dishonorable. Now match the words from column A and match the column with B. Okay, now match the answer with me. Notorious, graduated, activist, movement, gender discrimination, colonial rule, combat, resistance, assign. Column B, notorious, a person, dishonorable. Notorious means dishonorable. Graduated, took a university degree, activist, a member of a certain social movement, activists, gender discrimination, difference between male and female, colonial rule by another country, combat, fight, resistance, battle. Assign, give responsibilities. Okay, now match the answer. I think you have already completed matching the words here. Now let's see another option. Evaluation. Now I would like to evaluate your understanding. Okay, dear student, now write down the question here. Where did Pretilata fight? Number 2, when did she fight? Number 3, why did she fight? Number 4, what was Pretilata's profession? 5, what do you learn from Pretilata's life? Okay, I think you have got the answer from your reading. Where did Pretilata fight? Write down the answer in your notebook. If you completed writing the answers, then match with me. Okay, now let's see the evaluation. Where did Pretilata fight? Okay, match the answer with me. Pretilata fought in Chattogram in 1932. She attacked the Pahartoli European Club. I think you have got the answer, and your answer is to the point with my answer. Number 2. In 1932, she fought against British government. Okay, you got the answer here and match with your answer. Number 3, she fought against the British colonial rule to free her motherland. Number 4, she was the head teacher of Nandan Kanan Arpanacharan School in Chattogram. Number 5, we should fight against illegal activities to serve our country. Okay, you have got the answer here. Okay, let's see again the questions here. Okay, where did Pretilata fight? You have got the answer. When did she fight? You already have got the answer. Why did she fight? Okay, what was Pretilata's profession? Okay, what do you learn from Pretilata's life? Okay, fine, thanks. You have already, I think you have already you have already written the answers. Now homework for you. Write a short paragraph about Pretilata. It's your homework. We have already at the end of the lesson. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. See you again.